breakfast. Well, that's because breakfast starts 8 o'clock here and now it's 7:45 and I have a pickup. I'm gonna do a cooking class today. Taste that. So now we stopped here and this is like a local place and we're going inside to the market. Oh yeah, it's much bigger than I... So here, do you see it? Snake skin it's called.
But sometimes they say, yes, that's true. But when you open, it's just sour.
It's a little bit like pineapple, sweet and sour. More sour.
And then we mix with the sauce.
Tempeh.
All the food spicy,
Tofu. It's very small lime and it's much more intense in the taste than in Sweden. And in the middle of it all, we of course have a holy tree. Banana leaves.
Later we'll use for wrap the fruit, wrap the food, and then we can use for underlayer, and also we will use for garnish.
It looks like ginger, but it's galangal, and here we have tambourine, I think it's called. That's ginger, and that's spicy. This is also made from coconut leaves, and it's toothpicks or something. And this is harder one, stronger one, bamboo. All of this is coconut leaves, coconut leaves. And this is an offering to protect. And she's already been sold out, so she's closed. Now we're inside the traditional Balinese house. Here you see the temple, and they do the funerals, the weddings, the baptism. This here, the ceremonies. This can be like a guest house, but right now they use it for a warehouse. And but when there's a wedding here, people stay here and sit here and watch it. This is where they live. They have like those bedrooms and living room. But here we have the kitchen, and that is the first thing you built when you're building a home. So the kitchen is the primary thing, and there's a large kitchen, and this is where all the magic will appear. And this is the company, Bali and it's just very close to Ubud. So come here because it's so nice. So this is how it looks before we have been trying to make something out of it. Nice welcoming drink, I think. Oh, we're starting with the treat. Not even have to cook anything.
Exactly.
Yeah. So this might be the only good thing we're gonna, because otherwise it's our own cooking. So now we're gonna make the basket of offerings here. So we got like coconut leaf. And we're trying to make it as good as that. Now look at that. Have you ever seen such a beautiful basket? Oh, and now we have flowers and also very thin banana leaves. And here it's ready. And all the flowers has like a specific place they have to be. We're gonna make a sauce by mortaling with a big stick.
How long do you have to do this for usually?
Oh, it's already a paste. I made all of this.
Yeah. Thanks to you.
Easy. Finished. Yeah, that's the paste. So all of that we made in the mortar, now we made a sauce out of it.
You can check the rest for the second step.
And we're going to use it in a lot of dishes today. Smells so good. So good. This is banana tree. It looked like that, and I did this, and now we're gonna put them in a hub. Everybody's doing different jobs here.
It depends on the home.
I've added some salt, and now I'm squeezing it.
This one? Yeah. Finish. Next.
1 tablespoon of tomato. I take 3 tablespoons of coconut milk to the fish. And now we mix. So here's this fish I made, and we're gonna wrap it in banana leaf. Look at that. Oh, I'm not done yet. I thought I was done. Have you seen anything more beautiful than this? Fish wrapped in banana leaf. And from the chicken, we did this chicken satay. Beautiful. Thank you. This is actually the chicken that we did in that mortal thing over there. So now we're going to do satay, and we're going to put it onto the stick.
Like so?
Like so. Alice is from France is demonstrating this.
Oh, it's very squishy.
It's like lollipop meat. And then we're gonna, I think, grill it on fire. Now it's time to grill. And you put it, it's so clever. Like you put it like that. And then it holds it like that.
Yeah, all of this.
Perfect.
Also, you can use for yourself. If you feel hot, you can do like this.
Time for peanut butter sauce. That peanuts, garlic, palm sugar, and 2 other candle, and something else. Smells delicious.
Yeah.
Look at our smell is delicious. Peanut butter sauce, and you have tempeh there. This is actually not food. Well, it is food. It is rice, but it's also this they make as offering. And thank you for the food and for everything we've done today. Now we've officially done preparing all the food, and they prepare it the last thing. And we're gonna start with a soup, and then there will be like a buffet over here. And they already prepared the table. And it's so organized. My God, it's so smooth. You go from one station to another, and they have prepared everything, and then you go back to the station where you were, and they prepared for another thing. So it's so organized and well planned, and everything is made like in a calm sense and while you're cooking. So it's so good. It's so nice. And now we're gonna taste everything, starting with soup. And the cook here, the chef, it was brilliant. Goodness, yeah. That's the fish, and some of the chicken had a lot of flavor, and also this so yummy. Definitely getting a 3 on the scale. This is, what's your name?
Warming.
Warming.
Yeah.
A very, very good and nice ride back to my hotel.
Yeah. You're welcome.
What do you work with?
I'm driving, and then the barberman also. Businessman, yeah.
Yeah, businessman doing his own business. Who's the boss?
I am the boss.